Hello friends, welcome to hrpreparation.com. Today's topic is the Factories Act 1948 and this is about Chapter 5. We are going to learn the topics: what is welfare in India, welfare provisions, Section 42, Section 43, Section 44, Section 45, Section 46, Section 47, Section 48, Section 49 and Section 50. So let's take a look into it. Now coming to what is welfare. In general terms, welfare is nothing but health, happiness and fortune of a person or a group. Welfare in the organization is all about taking care of the employees in terms of health, happiness and the fortune of individuals and groups of employees. Now some people consider it as a statutory procedure or a social effort which is designed to promote the basic physical and material well-being of people in need. As per the Factories Act, welfare is a statutory requirement to provide basic need of the employees as physical and material well-being of the employees. People working in different sectors and at different levels have different welfare needs. Here, the point is different welfare needs for different levels, like for workers, there are different welfare needs, and at the manager levels, there are different welfare needs. For example, as at the union work or union level, they require some home needs, but at the managerial level, they have car facilities and some other allowances. The Factories Act 1948 defines certain provisions regarding the concept. The Factories Act discusses all the welfare provisions in Chapter 5, and now we are going to discuss each welfare provision section-wise. Now coming to welfare provisions. There are 9 sections which deals with welfare provisions in Chapter 5 of the Factories Act 1948. Now in this video lecture, we are going to learn about all the welfare provisions. Coming to Section 42, Washing Facilities. The Section 42 deals with the washing facilities to all the employees or workers in the organization or the factory. Coming to Section 43, which deals with facilities for storing and drying clothes. So Section 43 deals with the facilities for storing and drying the clothes of employees and workers working in the factory. Section 44 is the facilities for sitting. This Section 44 deals with the facilities for sitting, and this provision is for few particular working sections. Section 45. Now this deals with the first aid appliance. In all the areas of the factory for immediate first aid or injuries, Section 45 is applicable. Coming to Section 46, Canteens. So Section 46 deals with the canteens in the factory, and there is a condition to create the canteen provision in the factory. We shall discuss this section in the upcoming slides. Coming to section 47, which deals with shelters, restrooms and lunchrooms. Section 48 is crushes. So this section deals with the crushes for women employees working in the factory. Coming to section 49. This deals with the welfare officers for the factory. So section 50 deals with power to make rules to supplement this chapter for certain changes under the state or the central government. Now coming to section 42, washing facilities. Now we will be discussing about section 42, which deals with washing facilities provisions as per the Factories Act 1948. So this section states that every factory should have adequate and suitable facilities. So this is the first requirement. So section 42, subsection 1A talks about how to maintain adequate suitable facilities in the factory for washing, and this is mandatory. So this comes under subsection 1A. So section 42, subsection 1A. Next is section 42, subsection 1B. Separate and adequately screened facilities, separate for men and women. So this section 42, subsection 1B says to provide separate and adequate screened facilities should be given separately for men and women in the factory. Next is accessible all the facilities to all the workers. So this is section 42, subsection 1C. This talks about the fact that such facilities shall be conveniently accessible and shall be kept clean in the factory. Next is section 42, subsection 1D. Next is section 42, subsection 2. Make rules prescribing standards. So section 42, subsection 2 says that the state government may, in respect of any factory or class or description of factories or any manufacturing process, prescribe standards of adequate and suitable facilities for washing.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Like, comment and share. See you next time.